Hello and welcome, it's Fiona from Weekly Sewing Bee again. Now my pinking shears are blunt and I've heard that if you use tin foil you can get them sharper. So here we've got some felt, just plain felt, and I've just cut one layer there, but 2 layers, it's kind of, you know, not working at all. Actually, that's all my strength in my hands. There we go, it's gone now, 2 layers. So let's see if we can get any better. So keep you in screen. Lovely. I can't get this little bit of plastic off that's holding it together. Isn't that sad? But it's a brand new roll. There's nothing fancy about this. It's aluminium for us English, or aluminum for the American, but tin foil, you know. And this would work on scissors for crafting. You can get like wavy ones and everything nowadays, can't you? But these are my old pinking shears that I've had probably for 30 years now. You know, you'd think I'd get new ones, wouldn't you? Rather than complain about them being blunt. So here we go. Got my felt again. And let's see how I do. Yeah, I can feel a difference. Before it was kind of like quite painful. And they are cutting now. This is 4 layers thick. So let's give it a go. Oh, that's quite a cruel test, isn't it? But look at that. That's sharp as. So yeah, top tip for the day. Not much of a video, I know, for my regular bloggers. But tinfoil sharpening your pinking shears. Anyway, thank you ever so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.